Another day, another hotel. Today we're checking out the Hotel Ibis Styles Kyoto Shijo. This hotel is located approximately 10 minutes by taxi from the main train station and is a step above a normal ibis. As you can see when you come in, it's quite an interesting entrance, lots of lighting and different plants, gives it a really nice feel. This hotel is definitely on the budget side, but the rooms are big enough for at least us, because as we all know, hotel rooms can be very tiny in Japan. And we were checking according to price and room size, and this hotel was the winner. Now we did have 2 very large suitcases and 2 extra bags, so any kind of extra space was really needed. Now this here is the lobby, quite a simple lobby. They have some microwaves to heat up your food. They also have some reading material, a little lit up Zen garden, and in general some space to hang around and sit and get some information. They also store your luggage here if you need to explore the rest of Kyoto, but also need to check out on the same day. As you can see, some more reading material. Here there's a second entrance to the hotel, a very convenient money exchanger. The staff here were very friendly, and after a quick check-in and looking at the nice little Zen garden behind the reception, it was time to go to the room. So guys, here we are in the Ibis Styles Shijo. There's not going to be such a walkthrough because, as you can see, the room is small but damn cheap. So this is a good location, not a perfect location, but a good location. The bus stop's right outside, so affordable, and we've chosen the twin room simply because there is, I think, 4 extra square meters of space, which I'm telling you makes a huge difference, especially when you've got, a few bags with you. Here's your little kettle, little desk to work at, and mirror, makeup area as well. You've got your little cups and glasses, and the usual. You have a little fridge here. Now let's make this room much colder because it's damn hot inside here. Where's the AC? Alright, let's just go wild. So we've got a little sofa. You see our bags. Not even all of our bags. Hidden away here you have one of those air purifiers and humidifier things. A little suitcase holder and some slippers. TV, as I said, with some information. Look, here. Wi-Fi information is on the TV.
Old style password that we have.
Yeah, in Japan. Here we have some plugs. I have no idea what this is, but it's here. Maybe somebody can write in the comments what that was. And here we have one of those air and fabric fresheners, right? This is typically a hotel that somebody might come to when they missed their last train because they've been drinking. They might have to wear the same clothes again. And so these magical air freshener and fabric fresheners are really good. Now this here, this is definitely not an Ibis Styles toilet I've ever seen. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. It's actually much bigger than I expected. And even got a little separator for the toilet down here, which is a full-sized washlet. Impressive. Hair dryer, cups, sink, magnifying mirror, normal mirror, clothesline, goes across, shower holder top, shower holder, well, top and bottom, that is said. Then we've got the Ibis Styles branded soaps. Very functional, and a bathtub. Now I think even I can easily sit in this bathtub. Lying completely in it might be slightly more difficult, but Yang will easily fit in here in any position she wants. And yeah, very cool, very cool. Small, but functional. And most importantly, affordable. It was, I think, how much did we pay for the Uber to come here? I didn't even see. 1,300 maybe. Not even.
That's is from the temple to
Yeah.
the train station.
Not bad. Here you go, got a little safe. I know, you know, a big laptop's going to fit in there. Let's see how deep it is. No 16-inch laptop. Maybe your iPad or a small laptop will fit. You have light controls. A window to nowhere, I believe. Let's see if it's. Oh, it's all milky, but here, look at this. Look at it. Look. Looking into the courtyard, it seems. Not the most amazing view, but if you're staying in this hotel, you're probably staying here because you're exploring Kyoto and not because you want to spend your entire time in this room. But it's definitely comfortable enough, and yeah, you can be Japanese and have separate beds despite being married. Now, as you can see, they also provide you with some pajamas, and this is a good place to have a nap. And in the morning, actually, if you have breakfast included like we did, there was no breakfast room. Instead, we all got these super fancy bentos. And I have to be honest with you, this is probably better than any breakfast. It was absolutely delicious and looked beautiful too. So as you can see, this hotel is a good base, you know, a cheap base to explore Kyoto. And the Fushimi Inari Shrine is about 2,000 yen, perhaps about 20 minutes away. So I would say, yeah, I'll probably stay here again, simply because the price is good and the room was big enough to fit us two and our suitcases. Anyway, I hope that was useful for you guys. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next week. See you then.